Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is useful when you are unavailable or out of the office. Outlook Automatic Reply. First, open your Outlook and go to File. Then choose Automatic Replies. Next, select Send Automatic Replies. There is an option to set a date range for your automatic replies. In this case, I'm setting it up from June 20th 9 a.m. to June 25th 7 a.m. And Outlook will reply automatically to your email within the set date range. And otherwise, you'll need to turn it off manually. On the Inside My Organization tab, type the response. You can also enable the automatic replies to send outside of the organization by enabling the Outside My Organization tab. Click OK to save your settings. I'm going to send a test email to myself to make sure that my automatic reply is working. There you have it. I just received my test email. And right above that is the out of the office automatic reply that we just set up a few seconds ago. When Outlook is set up to send automatic replies, you'll see a message under the ribbon with this information. Select Turn Off to disable automatic out of the office. Great! Now you're ready to set up and use automatic replies in Outlook. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.